Dronus NEST 250 is a fully autonomous aerial drone-in-a-box system that conducts inspection and security tasks 24/7, streaming real-time data wherever needed. Thanks to its AI-powered system without human intervention, the drone returns autonomously to its base to recharge. The system can be programmed remotely to conduct perimeter security patrols and report breaches in real time. It can also be integrated with pre-existing alarm systems. Equipped with a proprietary tracking system, the high-precision drone can fly even through narrow spaces of less than 20 centimeters and provide night detection with its infrared cameras. The flexibility of the system allows for multiple nest bases that can be combined to cover large-scale areas and create a network. The drone and its nest base communicate with each other and send the information to the control center. Dronus NEST 250 is the best answer to inspection and security needs and smart city applications. A revolution in your business freedom. Dronus. Freedom redesigned.